usuke njena uthandabuza umntanami kwenze wonke umuntu apha nje amthandabuze ngoba kaloku ungunoze sazi ngumyeni wami lowa uLazarus nantoni na ifuneke ndiyithethe nomyeni wami kuqala ngingazama ukudisrespecta kodwa le nto ngumtshato lo uyazi ke mna ndicinga ntoni xa usitsho njalo wena ndicinga uba iyona nto oyizeleyo apha siyolise ukusifunga amandla finish and clear enye into yesibini siyolise endiqonda uba nyanyanya
iingxaki zolusapho zibona nangothathatha elo ke likroba lobu-ethe-ethe siqale kuleka siyolise iveke ezimbini zanele kusasa unxiba ezakhe impahla uthwala entloko ke uza kuthwala qha xa sinemicimbi kuphela ekhayeni kodwa emsebenzini uza kuba ngulo mntu ufuna uba nguye nomfundiso noNonceba bazoqinisekisa uba loo nto iyenzeka andiniceli ndiyanixelela siyapho kufele khona ithole iyaqhubeka imeja
konje ndizwa kakuhle niyandicaphukisa ndidinwe gqithi ndidinwe ndidinwe ndindubhobhoyi ndiyageza ngoku guys, I thought, who is the creator of this show? I thought ukuthi uNomfundiso came in why evuma ukuthi lo tata lo yabona nje senkhohlana lo baba wakhe umfowabo lo ukuthi azazo okay, let me breathe, let me start afresh. Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to another review. This is the second review of Inimba, which plays on Mzansi on yo ndidiniwe ndiyanuka ndidinwe phu ndiliphunge liqabunga ndiyaqeqebula I haven't watched TV such a long time. I would say I would watch a show where I felt so emotionally connected and actually irritated. I might not fully understand the language because bakhuluma isiXhosa deep. What the fuck are they saying? But okay, as far as realize, they are introducing another storyline. Nonceba was married and Nonceba left umshado wakhe buye ngathi uNonceba wawushiya umshado. We haven't found the reasons why umshado wakhe uNonceba awushiya or awulahla, but it looks like uLazarus Sigqebo aka Sigqebo notata yakhe they fully understand ukuthi uthini. We've seen uSiyolisa / uZoleka trying to hint kuNonceba ukuthi manje wena uyini, and asho ukuthi there's so many things that she is facing. So now this is my thoughts. They're gonna introduce us as another family beside the Zondos, beside the Mabandla family irritates the hell in me, but it's okay. We are on the next episode, we're gonna discuss the Mabandlas and the divorce and everything, because I'm even happy the Uputo I forgot their names because their names are too closer for me, so I forgot about the names. Nones, the tall one, yeah. But let's go back here because I'm really interested in the story. I feel like Azande. Okay, so these people, both of them, they have secrets because there are things engikuprotect zona if uSigqebo finds out noSiyoliso angeke kube mnandi, right? but lo msha reverse psychology uyamtshela phambi kwendodana yakhe ukuthi izinto zinje is because of you. Now wait, this man, the uncle, is creating now uqhekeko between the son and the mother. That's why he's saying so. Now Azande looks at the mother to say, hey, is there anything that I do not know? Is there anything that you've done? What is the situation? Because now they are pushing the agenda to say Azande didn't become a CEO simply because of your mother's doings. But what are those secrets? What are those secrets? And why is Nomfundiso not nice saying by the time lo baba lo ekhuluma la kule meeting ezothi wena Nomfundiso noncaba yasimala bena no yoso ngasimala ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa lona akakhumule lento egqila inzila lento omshado This is what I'm going to need. This is what I'm going to need. And I'm going to need it now. And I'm going to need it soon. I'm going to need Nomfundiso. One, I'm going to need Azande because kunesikhathi la ngifuna ukuqoleka khona where ethe uyakhuluma wathi usigqibo enough. Wathi Azande, don't talk to my mom. Wathi wena, hey, thetha amadoda manje not amanku. Wathi something like uthetha amajani manje not amakhwenke. No, my baby boy. Azande, my sweetheart, please do it for me. I'm gonna need you. Uhambe uye entabeni uyokwenza into abayifunayo. If kukude entabeni, I'm gonna need you to go to the hospital, my baby. Circumcise and become a man. Cause bakhalela ijwabu njengamanje, right? Bathi nawusikanga ngaphambili. So ngaze bakhulume noma wakho kanje and then you don't say anything because bathi you didn't go to the hospital to circumcise. Circumcising. I believe that you can go to the hospital, circumcise. You cannot afford my baby boy to go in Durban right now because the Ngokana Industries and the Khosela in the whatever the Khosela take bayahlanganisa bayenza le mejele and they're going to be a press briefing like in the next few days. I'm thinking press briefing. I don't think because today is a Thursday. I don't think it's about tonight. Go to the hospital. Cut the jabu. Once you cut the jabu, you can sleep. Ne? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning, please come back. So that's when they do this press briefing. You can speak. Ijani ikhulumanga theni sekhuluma umuntu elukile you'll be look at put your but whatever that you do Azande I'm going to need you to circumcise, allow the ceremony to take place so that you have izwi la kulomndeni. Otherwise they're messing with your mother. Nomfundiso Dapsy, I'm not happy. Aye, mama, you can do better. Take on your uncle. I mean, on your brother. And Azande, you're just too quiet for me. As kaste leya yasiyolise nalo nonceba ndini. Lapho ezoxabana khona leya 2. Kuyoba mnyama phansi. uLazarus, I don't even want to talk about him. uLazarus usiqhebo udom he's not okay upstairs. Bona ngokuthi asathi ubavumela thingane yakhe bengena ingane. That's where the problem started. So ayikho into vele into esilo zoyikhuluma kwaloko kwaluka kwakho lokuthi lokhu uyijani wena uyindoda wena khuluma madoda. That's nonsense because what you are doing. Hey, Siyolise is unhamba la nonke. Lo mfazi uzorula lapha ya uhamba, and that's why I'm saying Nomfundiso shouldn't allow this thing. Uzorula lo mfazi ungibele emakhanda uyan so upset and I'm angry by this storyline. I was hopeful for Nomfundiso. And mina ngimfuna mva. Please when I'm listen, can you just twist because we can't have this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. So this was today's episode. It's time, I don't have much time, but then we're gonna have to look. We can't concentrate on it to the Ngokanas. We're gonna have to look at the Mabandlas. I was when I first watched when I watch it, fuck off. When I watch it, Nimba. Sanibonani, when I watch it, Nimba. Okay, anyway. And we're going to have to look through that storyline also and look at the Zondo tag as well as why and check in Mawande, you know, all the growth. So we're going to try find time. But the thing is, I feel like the most story line that is exciting right now is the Ngokanas not saying the other one is not. So let's see. I love Chumega from the beginning, but I'm getting bored of her right now. And the facial expression is not doing it for me anymore. I need her to do better. I need the storyline to be to work. I know they were just trying to replay around it, but I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot that I need to be done to Nima Bantas. I guess being time to I guess we've been saying this. I don't know. There must be a way of going back and finding Zolega, because that was cute. That was irritating, but that was fine. For now, I don't know. I don't like him. For now, I don't like the storyline on the story side. But thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you create a conversation. Please help me out also. I'm Zulu and I really love this. If I'm making mistakes about it certain times, let's work around it. If you're closer, and let's get to know each other. And I'm really willing to start speaking the language. The thing is now, I'm not sure whether it's Xhosa or it's Mpondo or something like that, but I'm assuming it's Xhosa because I think it's Mpondo. It's also kind of deep. Thanks so much for watching, and let me love and leave you, but I'm gonna see you again. This is not a goodbye, this is a comeback.